If you're tired of clogged gutters and messy cleanups, it's time for a smarter solution. In this video, we'll reveal the best leaf guards for gutters to keep your home protected and your maintenance routine hassle-free. Number 1. Raptor Gutter Guard. The Raptor Gutter Guard has earned a reputation as one of the most dependable options for homeowners seeking reliable, long-lasting gutter protection. This kit provides 48 feet of high-quality stainless steel micro-mesh gutter guard, along with self-tapping screws for a simple and efficient DIY installation. It's designed specifically for 5-inch gutters or smaller, making it a versatile solution for many residential homes. The installation process is straightforward, even for those with limited experience in home improvement projects. What sets the Raptor Gutter Guard apart is its combination of durability and performance. Crafted from stainless steel micromesh, this product is highly resistant to rust and warping, promising years of effective service through various weather conditions. The innovative V-band and trough technology enhances water flow while adding structural strength and improving filtration. This unique design helps prevent debris from sticking to the surface, ensuring that rainwater continues to flow freely while leaves, pine needles, pests, and roof grit are effectively blocked. One of the standout features is its maximum protection against common gutter issues. By keeping debris and pests out, the Raptor Gutter Guard reduces the risk of water damage, landscape erosion, and even fire hazards, especially in areas prone to dry conditions. Additionally, it's WUI, Wild Urban Interface, compliant and UL approved for rainwater collection, certified under NSF P151 and NSF 372 standards, making it a trusted choice for eco-conscious homeowners. Overall, the Raptor Gutter Guard combines top-tier materials, thoughtful engineering, and proven performance into a product that delivers outstanding value. Its simple installation, rugged durability, and effective debris-blocking capabilities make it an excellent choice for homeowners seeking peace of mind and long-term protection for their gutter systems. Number 2. AM Gutter Guard. The AM Gutter Guard is a top-rated option known for its heavy-duty design and lasting durability. Made from industrial-gauge 0.18% aluminum, this gutter guard is engineered to resist rust, rot, and other forms of deterioration. Backed by a lifetime warranty, homeowners can trust that this product will stand up to the elements year after year without losing its effectiveness. Designed specifically for hidden hangers, the AM Gutter Guard also works seamlessly with other hanger types, including K-style hangers. It's a particularly appealing choice for homeowners concerned about maintaining roof warranties, as it's been developed not to void existing warranties, including fortified roof systems. The guard's surface features 380 holes per linear foot, each with a 1/8 inch diameter, allowing for efficient water passage while keeping out leaves, twigs, and other debris. Remarkably, it remains virtually invisible from the ground, preserving the home's exterior appearance. Measuring 47 inches in length and 5 inches wide per piece, the AM Gutter Guard offers an effective overlap tab installation method to ensure a secure and continuous fit along the gutter line. The 100-foot box includes 26 pieces, providing ample coverage for standard homes. This practical design ensures quick installation and reliable performance with minimal tools required. Homeowners will appreciate the AM Gutter Guard's capacity to handle heavy downpours, making it especially suitable for areas prone to seasonal storms or steady rainfall. The product's robust construction and thoughtful design make it a dependable option for protecting homes from clogged gutters and water-related issues. In summary, the AM Gutter Guard delivers excellent value with its combination of industrial-strength materials, user-friendly installation, and visually discreet appearance. It offers reliable gutter protection that requires minimal maintenance, making it an ideal choice for homeowners seeking an effective and low-profile solution. Number 3. Vevor Gutter Guard. The Vevor Gutter Guard offers homeowners a dependable solution to persistent gutter clogging problems. Designed with practicality and performance in mind, this system effectively keeps leaves, pine needles, roofing grit, and other debris from entering your gutters, thanks to its 0.157 mm or 4 mm mesh openings. These expertly sized openings balance efficient water flow with effective debris blocking, ensuring your gutter system remains clean and functional. With a total coverage length of 104 feet, the Vevor Gutter Guard includes 26 pieces, each measuring 48 inches by 5 inches, making it a fitting choice for standard 5-inch wide gutters commonly found in residential settings. One of its strongest selling points is its remarkable adaptability. These guards can be easily cut to accommodate various gutter shapes, sizes, and lengths, offering a customized fit for nearly any home. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, the Vevor gutter guard boasts impressive durability. It withstands all types of weather without rusting or corroding, ensuring long-term protection and minimal maintenance. Number 4. Sdsnte Gutter Guard. The Sdsnte Gutter Guard offers practical and reliable protection for homeowners looking to safeguard their gutters from leaves, debris, and pests. This gutter guard system is designed to provide year-round efficiency by allowing water to flow freely while blocking common gutter clogging materials. The result is reduced maintenance, fewer clogs, and enhanced protection for your home against potential water damage. Constructed from durable powder-coated steel, the Sdsnte Gutter Guard ensures long-lasting resilience against harsh weather and physical wear. Its sturdy build effectively keeps out leaves, pine needles, and even small animals, reducing the likelihood of blockages and overflow. The package includes 40 pieces, providing a total coverage of 120 feet for 6-inch gutters, offering comprehensive protection for larger residential gutter systems. This product is specifically designed for K-style gutters, compatible with 4, 5, and 6-inch steel or aluminum models. The precise fit and solid construction minimize the need for frequent cleaning, keeping gutters clear and functioning efficiently. This tool-free, screw-free installation offers a secure and straightforward process, ideal for homeowners seeking a hassle-free solution. In summary, the Sdsnte Gutter Guard is a practical and dependable option for protecting home gutters from debris and damage. Its robust powder-coated steel construction, compatibility with multiple gutter sizes, and simple lock-in installation method make it a solid choice for homeowners looking for effective long-term gutter protection. Number 5. Superior Gutter Guard. The Superior Gutter Guard lives up to its name by providing exceptional protection for home gutter systems, especially in regions subject to harsh weather conditions. Featuring a patented raised design micromesh, this product expertly filters out debris while directing rainwater efficiently down into the gutter system, preventing overflows and clogs. Superior Gutter Guard stands out for its all-encompassing protection, blocking leaves, pests, insects, birds, and other nuisances from invading your gutters and downspouts. Its thoughtful construction employs stainless steel mesh combined with mill-finished aluminum, offering both durability and resistance to rust, corrosion, and physical wear. Made to fit standard 5-inch gutters, this guard system provides homeowners with reliable year-round performance. Its sturdy materials withstand heavy rainfall, snow, and wind, making it an excellent choice for regions with unpredictable weather. In conclusion, Superior Gutter Guard offers homeowners a high-performance, durable, and easy-to-install option for keeping their gutters clean and functional. Its reliable debris-blocking capabilities, patented design, and solid build make it one of the best choices for long-term gutter protection. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.